Okay, that was all about translation of the sentences, students. Now let's move towards our grammar exercise, which are on page number 31. The first grammar exercise A is all about articles. I hope students, your article is one of the part of speech, and I hope you all are very much familiar with articles. Articles, students, are three in number: a, an, and the. But they are three in number, but they vary in their functions as well. The basic definition of the article is: articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. These are the articles which make a noun specific or unspecific. So what are those articles? What is that article which makes a noun specific or unspecific? We will discuss in detail afterwards. So basically the function of article is to describe a noun, to modify a noun. Remember girls, this function is also performed by an adjective. So technically an article is an adjective as well, because the same function is performed by both the article and an adjective. Articles are also used to modify a noun. These are the basic definitions of an article. Keep in mind they are only three in numbers. These three articles are divided into two types, students. One is definite article and the second one is indefinite article. Among the three articles, the definite article is the, which has two pronunciation, the and the, depending upon the words next to it. If the word next to it makes the vowel sound, so you will pronounce it like the. But if the word next to this, the or the, makes the consonant sound, so you would pronounce it the. It depends upon the words next to it. Second type is indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are two in number. These are a and an. The makes the noun particular. The main function of the is when you are intended to use the to modify a noun. So you have to keep in mind that the makes the noun particular and definite. A and an are used when you want to make the noun general and indefinite. General and indefinite, then you are going to make use of a and an. A and an also shows the quantity of a noun. These are usually used for a singular noun. For example, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Here I've made use of the because I am talking about a particular ball, a specific ball. I'm not talking about a general or any kind of ball. I'm talking about a particular ball. So I have made use of the article the. When I say that give me a ball, by making use of a, I am talking about any kind of ball. So it all depends upon when you want to make something particular or specific, so you're going to make use of the or the, or when you want to make something general or you're talking about general or indefinite thing, so you are going to make use of a. Students, there are certain rules for using articles. You have to keep in mind those rules while making correct use of articles. These are: number one, a common noun in singular number always requires an article before it, but not the plural common noun. Look at the example. Number one is, I saw a snake. Now snake is a common singular noun. And for common singular noun, I have to make use of appropriate indefinite article. A. I saw snakes in a zoo. Now snakes here is a common plural noun. Common plural noun, so I am not supposed to make use of indefinite articles over here. I can't say I saw a snakes in a zoo. Okay, so it would be wrong then. So look at another example. Please open the small box first. Please open the small box first. See, I made use of definite article because I'm particularly talking about a specific box. So I'm going to make use of definite article over here. You will get an excellent pizza at Pizza Hut. Now I'm talking about specific or particular pizza which is available at Pizza Hut. Articles are not used with possessive pronouns. Whenever your noun is preceding by a possessive pronoun, for example, my, yours, his or her, etc., so you will not make use of any article. For example, take me to the your doctor. Take me to the your doctor. Here, listen girls. This is a possessive pronoun, your doctor. If I'm making use of article before this possessive pronoun, so my sentence will give a wrong sense. Take me to the your doctor. This is wrong. This is wrong. Rather, I'll be having a sentence, take me to your doctor. Take me to your doctor. So I am not supposed to make use of either of the article, whether definite or indefinite article over here. Rule number 4 is an is used before vowel sound and a is used before a consonant sound, not letter. Listen girls, I am just focusing upon that in order to make use of indefinite article an, you have to say the word is making vowel sound or not the letter. Okay? You are not focusing upon the letter. Why? Because sometimes a vowel letter makes consonant sound and sometimes a consonant letter make vowel sound, so you have to focus upon the sound. For example, a house, an hour. See, the hour is starting with consonant but not making consonant sound, so I am supposed to make use of an. A uniform row. Uniform, u is a vowel but not making vowel sound, so I am making use of a uniform row. So you are not supposed to just look at the vowel or consonant, rather you have to focus upon the sound which they are making. Rule number 5 is be specially careful with abbreviations. Whenever you come across abbreviation, again you have to focus upon the sounds they are making. An MOT, M, letter M starts with vowel sound. Letter M is making vowel sound, so I'm not supposed, okay, see, M is a consonant but not making consonant sound, rather it makes vowel sound. So keeping in mind its vowel sound, I'm just using an indefinite article an with it. And LRS, letter L again making vowel sound, so I'm supposed to make use of an. A US diplomat, U again a vowel but not making vowel sound, rather making use U makes or starts with consonant sound, so I am using a over here. So this is all about students rules of using correct use for the correct use of articles. So you have to make use of, you have to keep into consideration all these rules while making correct use of. Now quickly look at the exercise. Now students, fill in the blanks with the correct article where necessary. I like the blue t-shirt over there better than the red one. I've made use of the article over here because I'm specifically talking about the t-shirt which is lying over there. Okay, I'm not generally talking about. Their car does 150 miles dash hour, an hour, again making vowel sound, so I'm making use of an. Wears Where's dash USB drive I lent you last week? Where's where is where is the USB drive? Again, specifically talking about. Do you still live in dash Banu? Do you still live in Banu? No need to add, no need to write any article, make use of any article. Is your mother working in the old office building? Again, the old office building. Take it, you'll pronounce it the. So this is all about articles. So students, this is all from now. We'll continue the remaining exercise in our in our next lecture, or maybe in our classroom. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.